We will break the rule of thirds today and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Hello everyone, my name is Captain Otis. We all know the rule of thirds is like the holy grail of photography rules. It has been used ever since Renaissance period, even by the painters and the photographers ever since. So let's begin by understanding what actually is the rule of thirds. The rule proposes that an image should be divided into 9 equal parts by 2 equally spaced horizontal lines and 2 equally spaced vertical lines. And the important compositional element should be placed along these lines or their intersection. Let's understand this with the help of an example. In this photo, we can see that the horizon is placed on the bottom horizontal section of the photo and the sun is placed on the lower left intersection of the horizontal and vertical lines. This makes the photo look really pleasing and appealing. However, you cannot use the rule of thirds blindly. So the question is, when should you break the rules and how should you break the rules? So here are some examples where we are breaking the rule of thirds and clicking an awesome photo with your camera or a mobile. Look at this photo. The subject of this photo is a plain and simple road. We have followed the rule of thirds and you can see the picture here feels kind of an odd. There's a negative element on the right side of the photo which is hurting the eye and we are not comfortable watching the photo. Now look here, the same photo we have converted by shifting the road in the center of the frame, which now gives a pleasant balance to the photo and the photo immediately becomes very aesthetic and very pleasing. In the second technique, we will talk about the weight balance in the photo. To understand this, let's throw in a zebra on that road. So here in this photo, as soon as we have another subject which will draw the attention of your eye more, now you see the road has been shifted to the 1/3 of the screen towards the right. However, it is still not feeling odd because the weight of the photo has shifted towards the left and so the photo feels aesthetically pleasing. In our last technique, we will speak about the golden rule. Now what is a golden rule? It goes by many names: Fibonacci spiral, golden spiral, phi grid, divine proportion or golden mean. Now why do we use it? Well, the main reason being it helps to lead the viewer through the entire photo and the composition will be more pleasing and balanced for a human eye. Now let's trouble a small ant and see. Now the ant is bang in the middle of the photo. The photo is good, it's wonderful and no problem. However, what happens is that it's just a photo. There's no dynamism in the photo. Now let's have the golden rule spiral applied on the photo and let's get the ant on the bottom right of the photo. As soon as we move the ant to the bottom right using the golden rule, there comes a dynamism in the photo. So these are some of the techniques which you can use when you don't want to follow the rule of thirds. And trust me, you will have your photos stand out from the crowd. So tell me in the comments below if you have ever used these techniques in your photo. And as always, don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the like and share the video. Until next time, stay safe, see you again and click with me.